Love wins. Who do you need to love today? Love wins. They did you wrong? Who cares? Love wins. They hurt you. Love wins. Today you will choose to walk in love. The first person you will need to love is yourself. You will choose to love yourself first. No more focusing on the past. Your mistakes, they are behind you. No more guilt. No more shame. Love wins. Forgive yourself so that you can now win. Love yourself so that you can now love others. Today, your winning confession is love wins. I will only speak in love to others and about myself. Only things that are true, that are pure, are noble and just and good. I give no attention to guilt, to shame, to condemnation, hatred, slander, or gossip. I choose to win with my words. I choose to love. Love wins.